And I already forgot. Hi guys, I'm Madeline from Lakesidetable, and today we're making gluten-free crepes. Now, the main difference between gluten-free and regular crepes in this recipe, we're using buckwheat flour. Now, I did do an experiment with Bob's baking flour 1-to-1 that's gluten-free, and it works beautifully for a lighter, more mild crepe, whereas your buckwheat flour is more for savory crepes, for like chicken and mushroom sauce, that sort of thing. I personally love the flavor of buckwheat flour, and I especially like it with bananas and Nutella. It's rich and hearty, and I think it stands up really well with sweeter flavors and sweeter fillings. But if you like something a little bit more mild with your sweet crepes, and you're looking for a gluten-free option, I would definitely check out Bob's 1-to-1 baking flour. Hands down, crepes are really a secret weapon. They are the perfect vehicle for both sweet and savory fillings. Like on the sweet side, they're delicious with Nutella and bananas, lemon juice and sugar, or just simply butter and jam. Then on the savory side, you can roll them up with baked chicken and smother them with mushroom cream sauce, topped off with Swiss cheese. Oh, that is just divine. Best of all, crepes keep beautifully in the fridge for 3 or 4 days, and they even freeze really well up to 4 months. Let's start with the batter. Whisk together 2 eggs and add 1/2 cup water, 3/4 cup milk, 3 tablespoons melted unsalted butter, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Then add 1 cup buckwheat flour. Mix really well, no clumps. Let this rest in the refrigerator for at least 20 minutes. This rest will keep your crepes from tearing. And after it's had its quiet time, go ahead and heat up a 9-inch skillet. Let it get nice and hot, melt 1 tablespoon butter in the pan, and use a paper towel to wipe out the excess butter. Use a 1/2 cup measuring cup to pour the batter into the pan. Do it quickly, then swirl the pan around to evenly coat the bottom and put it back on the heat. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this does take a little bit of practice, but once you got it, you got it. Lower the temperature to low and watch. In about 2 to 3 minutes, the edges will start to pull away from the pan and the top will bead up with moisture. When it starts to look stable, take the edges with your fingers and flip. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on that side. All right, I'm just gonna dig in here. I'm gonna get my favorite, which is the banana Nutella buckwheat crepe. Oh yeah, here we go. You know, the buckwheat is savory and hearty and robust, and it really stands out well to the chocolate and the bananas. So good. I really hope you guys make these, and if you do, please leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite filling is. So, don't forget to come on by next week for more videos, and until then, go have fun in your kitchen. Thanks again for stopping by. Bye guys.